Today we will discuss about geometrical curves. Okay, basic engineering drawing. We will discuss about geometrical curves. Okay, geometrical curves. First of all, we have a question. Draw a curve which is passing through 2 points. Okay, draw a curve which is passing through the 2 points. Okay, I will explain how to draw a curve which is passing through 2 points. Okay, let this is point A. Okay, let this is point A. Wherever you desire, let's make point A and point B. Okay, point A and point B. Okay, point A and point B are two irregular points. Okay, two irregular points. Okay, there is no similarity between point A and point B. Okay, those just irregular points, there is no similarities. Okay, there is no similarity between point A and point B. Okay, you have to draw a curve which is passing through from point A and point B. Okay, point A and point B. Okay, process for a drawing a curve which is passing through A and B. Okay, with the help of your compass. Okay, with the help of your compass. Okay, from A. Okay, from A AB as the radius. Okay, from AB as the radius, make an arc. Okay, make an arc above or make an arc below, wherever you want. Okay, the next from B, same BA as radius. Okay, same BA as radius, make an arc. Okay, make an arc. Okay, this intersection point, a point of both arc. Okay, this intersection point of both arc representing as center of the curve. Okay, representing as center of the curves. Okay, again from O as the center. Okay, again from O as the center, OA as the radius. Okay, OA as the radius, draw a curve. Okay, draw a curve. Okay, observe carefully this curve passing through these 2 points, from point A, from point B, from O. Okay, point A from point B. This is the curve this curve is passing through these 2 points, and this is the center of this curve. Okay, this is the process to draw a curve passing through these two irregular points. Okay, the next thing is find the center point of a curve. Okay, find the center point of a curve. Okay, the next, for process to find out the center point of a curve. Okay, this is compass. Okay, this is your curve. Okay, this is your curve. Okay, you don't know this center line. Okay, you don't know these dimensions and this center line. Okay, you don't know the center line. Okay, in this case, okay, if you don't know the center line, in this case, next let's draw two lines on the circumference of the curves. Okay, draw two lines on the circumference of a curve. Okay, this is the circumference of a curve. The next, on the surface of a curve. Okay, on the surface of a curve, this is the surface of a curve, draw two lines. Okay, name it as point AB line and this is CD line. Okay, name it those AB line and CD line. Okay, the next, you have to bisect this AB line. Okay, you have to bisect this AB line. The process for bisecting, with the help of your compass, half of the above radius. Okay, this is line, half of the above radius, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, the next, with the same radius from point B, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, make an arc below. This, the line which is passing through this arc's intersection point, representing as bisection line of AB. Okay, representing as bisection line of AB. Bisection line means this bisection lines divide this line into two equal parts, then the line is called as bisecting line. Okay, the next, join these two arcs intersection points. Okay, join these two arcs intersection points. Okay, this is bisecting line of AB. Okay, the next, again bisect CD. Okay, again bisect CD. C as the center. Okay, C as the center, with the help of your compass, half of the above radius. Okay, half of the above radius, make an arc above, and the next, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, the next, from same distance D as the center, okay, same distance D as the center, make an arc above, make an arc below, the next make an arc above. Okay, the next, the line which is passing through this arc's intersection point representing as bisecting line of CD. Okay, this join this both intersection of arcs. Okay, join this both intersection of arcs. Okay, okay, let's draw a line. Okay, let's draw a bisecting line. Okay, this intersection point of this both bisecting lines. Okay, this is intersection point of both bisecting line, this name it as O. Okay, this is the center point of this curve. Okay, this is the center point of this curve. Okay, this is the center point of this curve. Okay, observe carefully with your help, with the help of your compass. Okay, OA, okay, OA as radius. Okay, draw a curve. Okay, it's exactly its center point. Okay, it's exactly, it's your center point. Okay, this is the process to draw a center point, to find out center point of a curve. Okay, the next one, draw a curve passing through 3 points. Okay, draw a curve passing through 3 points. Okay, the next process to draw, I will explain process to draw curve from 3 points. Okay, 3 points, let 3 points A and B and C. Okay, let 3 points A and B and C. Okay, next, represent A and B and C. Okay, this is point A. Okay, the next point B. Okay, and the next point C. Okay, the next, these A and B and C are 3 irregular points. Okay, 3 irregular points. You have to draw a curve passing through these 3 points. Okay, passing through these 3 points. Before that you have to join. Okay, before that you have to join AB. Okay, you have to join AB. Okay, the next you have to join BC. Okay, you have to join AB and BC. Okay, again you have to bisect this AB and BC. Okay, you have to bisect AB and BC. Okay, from A as the center, half of the above radius, make an arc above and below. From B as the center with same radius, make an arc above and below, Okay, this intersection line of these 2 points representing point of bisecting these 2 arcs intersection line represented bisecting line of AB. Okay, join this arcs intersection points. Okay, join this arcs intersection point. Next, again bisect BC. Okay, again bisect BC. Okay, 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 these 2 arcs intersection points represented line of representing bisecting line of BC. Okay, representing as bisecting line of BC. Okay, draw a line which is passing through this arcs intersection points. Okay, okay, the next, this intersection line of both bisecting lines. Okay, this intersection line of both bisecting line, center point of a curve. Okay, center point of a curve, name it as O. Okay, name it as O. Okay, the next, again from the O as the center. Okay, again from O as the center, OA as the radius, draw a curve. Okay, OA as the radius, draw a curve. Okay, observe carefully this curve passing through this A and B and C. Okay, A and B and C. Okay, this is the process to draw a curve from 3 points. Okay, from given 3 irregular points. Okay, these are the geometrical curves. Thank you for watching.